Group maintenance. Semi-annual pouring group maintenance. It is recommended that the group has routine maintenance every 6 months or 25,000 pouring cycles. Follow the maintenance checklist instructions. Remove the front panel by loosening the 4 screws. Switch off the machine at the mains, pressing both the up and down arrows. Turn on the machine at the mains. The display shows manual movement. Open the front door and remove the grounds drawer and tray. Top piston. Remove the nozzle from the pipes. Remove the upper piston clip. Clean it and replace the shower and the seal. Lower piston. Press the down arrow and move the lower chamber. While holding the ring, pull on the delivery pipe. With pliers, remove the bottom O-ring. Press the up arrow and remove the springs. Press the down arrow and let go before the blade begins to be expelled. Remove the central O-ring from the lower piston shaft and from above, undo the piston. Clean the piston and replace the shower. With a 21mm wrench, undo the screw that holds the seal. Remove and slide out with one finger and replace it. To reassemble, use Teflon spray in the screw thread. Add the new seal and lubricate. Tighten the screw, but not fully. Thread the lower piston and completely tighten the screw. Check the free movement of the piston. Insert the O-ring in the middle of the lower piston shaft. Press the up arrow key and insert the previously assembled springs. Press the down arrow to lower the chamber. Let go when the piston is about to enter the bottom support of the spring. Insert the bottom O-ring. Cleaning runners and lubrication. Clean the runners with a damp cloth and mild degreasing soap, moving the chamber up and down to remove dirt from all surfaces. Use Nuova Simonelli silicone lubricant on the screw worm bearings. Lubricate the infusion chamber bearings with Teflon spray and dry the runners with a cloth. Lubricate the worm near the infusion chamber bushing with Teflon spray. Reassembly. Insert the Teflon pipe into the fitting. Insert the piston and secure with the clip. Move the chamber up and down to check the correct alignment of the pistons. Annual pouring group maintenance. Every year, or after 50,000 cycles, the group should be replaced with a new or reconditioned one. For reconditioning, follow the maintenance checklist directions. Remove the nozzle, clip and top piston of the group. The service engineer will then remove pouring group and motor. Remove the components from the group. Release the worm screw by undoing the 3 2.5mm Allen screws on top of the support group. The worm screw is at the back of the infusion chamber. The bearings are part of the worm screw. Pull out the 2 runners by removing 2 3mm Allen screws and the 2.5mm one on the worm screw cover. To remove the blade ejector, it's necessary to undo the screw with a 3mm Allen wrench. The spring is secured to the blade ejector shaft and infusion chamber. Wash everything with water and degreasing soap. For a detailed overview of these actions, please refer to previous sections of this chapter. Reassembling pouring group and substitute parts. When reassembling, the service engineer will replace the following components and anything worn: top and bottom piston seals, top and bottom piston showers, blade expulsion bushing and movement screw, blade expulsion spring. The average time for annual maintenance is about 2 hours,